Good morning, students. So in the previous class we have started a new lesson, that is lesson number 6, food. So this lesson is about food and we have discussed why do we need food in our daily life. Food is a very basic thing. It is a basic need for our body that we have to eat in every day in our life. So why do we need food? We need food in order to stay alive and to be healthy, to be fit. Okay, so if you want to do any work, if you want to study, then you have to eat your food compulsory. Okay, so why do we need food? Because we need food because it gives us energy. It gives us energy to study. It gives us energy to do all the work. Okay, and next we have discussed about meal times. So you know that we eat our meals per day. At least we eat 4 times. We eat 4 times in a day. So that is, we eat breakfast. So when do we eat our breakfast? We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat lunch in the afternoon. We eat snacks in the evening. After going to home from your school or from your work, we eat snacks in the evening. After that, in night we eat our dinner. So we eat 4 times in a day. It's compulsory. Okay. And today we are going to discuss that food we get from plants and animals. I told you yesterday that some of the foods are there that we are getting from the plants, and some of the foods are there which we are getting from the animals also. So let's see what are those foods. So we get food from both plants and animals. Okay, so as you know that which kind of foods we are getting from the plants, we are getting fruits, we are getting vegetables, we are getting pulses, cereals. Okay, so these all things we are getting from the plants only. Then which kind of food we are getting from the animals? You know that some people are there who eat meat in the sense of flesh of animals, in the form of chicken or mutton we eat. Okay, so we can get the meat, eggs, milk from the animals. How you can get the milk? How you are getting the eggs? We are getting all those things from the animals. Okay, so some of the foods that we are getting from plants, first of all, we will list here. So tell me any 3 to 4 things that we are getting from plants. So first one is that we are getting wheat. Yes, wheat. And next nuts. And next fruits and vegetables. Still many are there. Still many things are there that we are getting from the plants, but these are enough. So next, the things we are getting from the animals. The food we are getting from the animals is, first one is meat. So next, milk and egg. Okay, so these all things we are getting from the animals. Can you see it? Okay, so animals also gives us food. We get food like milk, meat, and one more is that fish. Not all the people eat all these things. Some of the people are there who eat plants as well as the foods that we are getting from the animals. Okay, so now open the page number 119, and you can see 5 pictures they have given. They have given 5 pictures. Take a pencil in your hand and I will tell you what to do. What is the headline there? Some food items are shown below. And what you have to do is put a right mark. See, put a right mark for the items that we are getting from the plants. Okay, the things we are getting from the plants, you have to put the correct mark, right mark, and you have to put the cross mark for the things that we are getting from the plants. Okay, the next, see there, what is the first picture, and they have given some boxes here to do the right or wrong mark. Okay, do it from your pencil. So what is this first picture? That is egg. What is that? That is egg. So how you are getting egg? from plant or is it from animal? Say, I will draw here 5 boxes. So how you are getting it? You are getting it from the hen. Hen is a bird or animal you can consider. So which mark you should put? You should put the right mark or the wrong mark. Right mark is for the plants. Right mark from the plants, and this wrong mark or cross mark is for the animals. So we are getting eggs from the hen. Then which mark you should put here? You should put the round mark. Okay. So put the round mark for the first picture. And what is the second picture there? It is an apple. It is an apple. So apple is a fruit. So which mark you should put here? So fruit, in the sense it is an apple. So how you are getting the fruits and vegetables? We are getting all the fruits and vegetables from the plant source. So which mark you should put? Plants for the right mark. So put the right mark. Observe the third picture. What is that? That is meat. That is meat, and we are getting the meat from the animals. So for the animals you should put again a round mark. Now see the fourth picture, that is a cauliflower, and how you are getting the cauliflower? By the plants, not from the animals. So from the plants you should put the right mark. I now see the last picture. Those are the nuts, cashew nuts. Some of the spices are there. Okay, some of the spices are there. So how you are getting all kinds of spices? Obviously from the plants. So put the right mark. Okay, so these are the correct answers. First one is wrong, because we are getting eggs from the animals or the birds like hen. And next put the right mark for the apple, because we are getting the apple from the plants. Put the wrong mark for the third picture, because third picture is meat, and as we are getting meat from the animals. Put the right mark for the next picture, that is cauliflower, because we are getting the cauliflowers from the plants. And the last picture, put the right mark, because we are getting all kinds of spices from the from the plants. These are the correct answers. Okay, so this is it for in this lesson. So we will revise all the things one more time. First one is, tell me what is meal. What is meal? A particular definition is there. An occasion. It is an occasion that when people sit down to eat their food. Especially breakfast, lunch and dinner. Some of the people are there who eat their snacks also, but it's not in the consider of meal. Mainly there are 3 meals in a day. That is breakfast, lunch and the dinner. Okay, so that's all about meal. Next, about breakfast, I told you when do we eat our breakfast? We eat our breakfast in the morning. Next, lunch, when do we eat our lunch? We eat our lunch in the afternoon. And what about dinner? We eat our dinner in the night time. Okay, so next, what is food? Food helps us to grow. Food helps us to be fit. It keeps our body healthy. Okay, it gives us energy. See, many uses are there of the food. Okay, so next, a strong body can fight diseases. Yes, a strong body can fight against the diseases, fight against the illness. So that's because food is very necessary for our body to be strong. Next, food gives us energy, I told you, and I eat breakfast in the morning, we eat breakfast in the morning, we eat lunch in the afternoon, again the same thing is there, okay. So next, we get grains, fruits and vegetables from the plants, okay. Next, animals gives us milk, eggs and fish from the animals, okay. So this is all about the lesson food. So in next class, in tomorrow's class, we will discuss the question and answers of this lesson, which are there in the page number 120. Okay, so first one is fill in the blanks is there. There are 4 questions in the fill in the blanks. Next, true or false. You have to observe the given statement. If it is true, write T. If it is false, write F. Next, find and circle the fruits and vegetables hidden in the maze. A maze, a boxes they have given a box. You have to find out. You have to find out the fruits and vegetables because those fruits and vegetables are hidden in this box. So just find out them and scratch them with the help of pencil. After that, unscramble their scrambled words are there. You have to unscramble them. After that, answer the following questions. There are 5 questions. We will discuss all these questions in tomorrow's class. Read this lesson for one time again. And if you will get the answers for those questions, write them with the pencil. Okay. And however, I will explain all these questions in the next class.